Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Aruj Haider and welcome back to Paint Heaven by AHS. So, here is a quick look at our progress so far. Now, let's continue. This is part 3 of our Peacock painting series, and today we are going to focus on the beautiful body feathers, the warm yellow tones that add richness and depth to the painting. Before we start, just take a moment, relax your mind, and enjoy the process. In this part, I am starting with a soft yellow base. You can mix a little white into your yellow to make it smooth and creamy. Apply the base color evenly across the body area. Don't worry about the details yet. Just focus on covering the surface nicely. Sorry, I forgot to tell you about the brush size. This is a 1-inch brush, and because this area is wider, so I am taking a 1-inch brush. Now for the feather details, I am taking a brush size 0, that is round brush, and I am making a short curved strokes just to represent individual feathers. So keep your hand light and controlled. Don't rush the step. Take your time and enjoy it. As you can see that I am not making all strokes same. Some are slightly longer, some are shorter. This gives a natural look. If your brush feels too dry, just add a little paint or a water because smooth strokes are very important here. हर छोटी सी लाइन एक नया एहसास पैदा करती है. Layer by layer, you can see the body coming to life. So keep practicing these strokes. The more you practice, the more natural they will feel. So I am refining the edges now and making sure everything looks balanced. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. खूबसूरती कामिल होने में नहीं, महसूस होने में होती है. At this stage, your peacock should look much more detailed and structured. The texture we created here will make a big difference in the final results. Alright, this is it for part 3. I really love how these feathers are turning out. Soft, textured, and full of life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Paint Heaven by AHS. And don't miss part 4. Until then, stay inspired and happy painting.